kiss me sweet, and we'll go flying high in birdland, high in the sky up above. High in the sky up above. High in the sky up above.
Hello again, future engineers. I am Kathleen Joy Carpio, an industrial engineering student of Batangas State University. At our previous video, I demonstrated the process of making this specific figure. For today's video, I will be discussing the tutorial on how to make this 3D object, which is a gear. So now, let's open the application AutoCAD. Now let's start. First, let's make this workspace switching as 3D modeling. The first step is to use the circle command, specifically the center diameter, and specify our starting point, and this measurement shall be 1.5. Let's input 2.0. Using the circle command again, type in 2.5. For the next step, click the line command and specify the center of the circle. Input a length of 1.8. At this point, we're going to use the circle command, specifically the center diameter, and type in 0.75. For this part, we're going to use the circle command, specifically the center radius, and insert 2.6. Using the same command, let's type in 3.12. Let's just delete this line and continue. Using the circle command, center radius, let's insert a value which is 2.3. Let's make another line using the line command right about the center of this circle. Specify the midpoint of this line and insert another line. Now this will have a length of 0.75 and an angle of 109. Another line will be made right about this point, and that will have a measurement of 0.75 with an angle of 71 degrees. From this corner, we're going to make a line which has a length of 0.25 and followed by another line which is also 0.25. Now let's repeat the same steps for this part of the other corner. After that, we can just delete these lines which we don't need in the figure. Using the trim command, let's trim this part which we also don't need. Click the line command and make a line with the length of 0.20. Now use the arc command to make an arc right about here. After that, we can proceed to make a line which has a length of 0.25 and an angle of 120. Let's just connect these 2 points together. After that, use the mirror command for this part. Now copy this part of the figure and adjust it for it to fit the object. Click the small circle and type in array and choose polar. For the number of items, let's input 8. Now change this to SW isometric. We will also change this to conceptual. Using the press pull, let's indicate this part of the figure and type in 0.75. The same command will be utilized for this other one, and it will have a measurement of 0.60. Now type chamfer edge. Indicate a distance of 0.25. Use the press pull once more for this part and insert 0.35. Also, these two parts will both have a measurement of 0.75. Type in chamfer edge once more and indicate a distance of 0.25. The next step is to rotate the object and use the same command for these steps. We will use press pull. This will be 0.75 and 0.60. We will use chamfer edge again and it will be 0.25. Now this part will have a measurement of 0.35, 0.75 and another 0.75, all by using the press pull. Use chamfer edge also for these parts using the same distance of 0.25. After that, I'm going to change this to hidden and adjust these figures on the object. We can now proceed in using the press pull. Click this object and type in array. Choose polar and the number of items shall be 28. Let's bring this back to conceptual. As we can see, we have accomplished the task, which is to make this 3D object using AutoCAD. I hope that you have acquired something from this demonstration today. So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you and have a productive day, future engineers.